Alright, in this video we shall be looking at how to clear cache on iPhone. This is another way to speed up your phone, and also if you are running out of space, this is the best option. But before we start, if video happens to be your first time, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your settings, and once you open your settings, scroll to your apps. Now, once you click on your apps over here, just look for Safari, and once you look for Safari, scroll down and you can see clear history and website data. Click on that and you can see over here clear time frame, and you can see last hour, today and yesterday, all history. So you can choose to clear all history, and once you are done, you click on close all tabs, turn on this toggle and clear. Now once you are done, do same to Google Chrome. So if you have Google Chrome, to do same on Google Chrome over here. Now once you are done, just open your settings once again, go back to your settings, click on general, and once you click on general, click on iPhone storage. So you can see some apps are consuming a lot of space on your device. So you can choose Facebook, and you can see offload app. So just offload the app and reinstall the app, and once you reinstall the app, you get some storage. So you can do that, you can do that on all the apps over here to have some storage. And if your phone is also running slow, this is the best option. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.